In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo an action on Monday.com. We've all experienced those heart-stopping moments when a task is accidentally deleted on Monday.com. It could have been an unintended slip of the mouse or a hasty decision you came to regret. Whatever the circumstance, remember that this doesn't have to be the end of the world. Today, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of undoing such an action. Specifically, how to recover a deleted task, so you can feel a sense of calm return and get back to your work without further hassle. Start by heading over to the Monday.com homepage. This serves as your command center where all your projects and tasks are organized. Think of it as the gateway to your well-structured world. Whether you're already logged in or need to sign in first, being on the homepage will allow you to seamlessly navigate your projects. The next thing you'll want to do is select the specific project you're working on. Thanks to the excellent organizational features of Monday.com, finding your particular project is a breeze. Your ongoing projects could range from orchestrating a marketing campaign to managing a detailed software development plan. Click on your project to delve into the detailed landscape of your tasks and timelines. Once you're within your chosen project, locate the task you accidentally deleted. Maybe your intention was to delete something else, or perhaps you hit delete without realizing. It happens to the best of us. Given that tasks on Monday.com range from simple to-dos to complex assignments with multiple dependencies, it's evident how crucial each one can be. Now, let's walk through a crucial sequence of steps. You've selected the task and hit delete, perhaps by mistake. On Monday.com, when you opt to delete a task, it prompts you to confirm this action with another click. This is built as a safeguard. However, sometimes even that might not be enough to prevent an accidental deletion. After confirming the deletion, you might experience a momentary wave of panic. This is where the magic of Monday.com unfolds. Look towards the top of your screen. You'll find a fantastic user-friendly feature, the Undo button. This button is your lifeline, a beacon of hope in what could have been a dire situation. Clicking Undo essentially turns back the clock, as though the deletion never happened. The task that seemed lost in the digital abyss returns to its designated place, with all its details, deadlines, and any attached files restored. It's essential to understand why the Undo feature is indispensable. In the fast-paced world of project management, mistakes are inevitable. The Undo button acts as a safety net, ensuring that a single misclick doesn't derail your progress or entire project. This simple yet powerful tool can save precious time and the headache of recreating a complex task from scratch. Please note, however, that the Undo option is not unlimited. It's designed for immediate oops moments, meaning quick action is required if you've made a deletion. The Undo option won't be available indefinitely, so it's best to rectify accidental deletions as soon as they happen. And there you have it, an easy, stress-free guide to undoing an action on Monday.com. Whether you've deleted a critical task or made a change you quickly regret, the Undo feature is there to save the day. It ensures that your project management journey remains smooth and free from errors. Remember, mistakes are part of the process, but with tools like Monday.com, they don't have to be permanent. So go ahead, manage your projects with confidence, knowing the Undo button will be there when you need it most. Happy managing!